Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to Madam Asra. And today we are going to present our project, which is short story analysis. Before we go further with the presentation, I would like to introduce myself as well as my friends. My name is Hafiza.
My name is Pravita. I'm Shamini Kumar.
I'm Hamiza.
As for the pre-reading, before I read the story, I thought the story is about a butcher who is going to kill a lamb as a food resource. But then my prediction was totally wrong. The story is about a mystery where Mary Maloney kills her husband with a frozen lamb leg. Flipping through the story was about in a standard size where a short story it would be. If the story was not too long than what we expected, it was a very standard size what a short story would be. The opening sentences of the story was quite interesting and very suspenseful because the story is about Mary Maloney who killed her husband with a frozen leg. So it was quite mystery when we read it. The difficulty level of the phrases in the story was quite difficult to understand, where some phrases are very difficult, where we don't usually hear it, and it took around 30 to 45 minutes to read the story.
For the characters, there are 10 characters in the story. So I am going to explain the main characters only. There are two main characters. The first one is Mary Maloney. Mary Maloney is the heroine of the story, where she is known as a lovable and nurturing wife for Patrick. When Patrick approached Mary Maloney for a divorce, she intensely got angry and killed her husband Patrick using a frozen leg of lamb. After that, she wondered what will happen to the unborn baby and also her health if she went for jail for killing her husband. So she decided to dispose the murder weapon and also to create an alibi by went to the grocery shop to buy groceries for her husband to cook supper to make sure that she is not around when the murder happened. She uses her innocent role to escape from the penalty of killing her husband. Okay, the second character, which is Patrick Maloney. Patrick Maloney is a detective who concerned about his job and his wife. Patrick don't want to hurt Mary's feeling, but Mary's always take care of Patrick's need. When Patrick approached Mary that he is going to leave her, Mary gets suddenly angry and killed her husband using a frozen leg of lamb. Patrick was described as a silent and good person. Patrick's name was not revealed in the story until the halfway of the story. The author really mindful the Patrick's intention to get a divorce by just his body language and the attitude that shown to her wife at home. Settings is where and when certain events happens in the story. In the story of Lamb to the Slaughter, we found out there is two settings involved. The first one is time setting and the second one is place setting. Time setting is emphasized on specific timing of existence and events in past. Time setting includes clock time and calendar time. For example, 10 minutes to 5, which is 4:50 p.m. Mary Maloney waited for her husband Patrick Maloney to return back home from the work. Furthermore, evening before 6. This is where Mary Maloney went to the grocery shop to buy vegetables to cook supper for her husband. She purposely went to the grocery shop so that everyone thinks that she is innocent and she act like she doesn't know about the murder of her husband. Moreover, Nearly 9 is another example of clock time setting in the story. Mary Maloney persuaded the officers that has been working all day to have a drink and eat the lamb, which is actually the murder weapon of her husband Patrick Maloney. So the police officers would not find the murder weapon of Patrick Maloney. Then the author also mentioned a specific calendar time, which is Thursday. There are many events occurred on Thursday. For example, Mary Maloney waited for her husband Patrick Maloney on Thursdays, as well as Mary Maloney and her husband Patrick Maloney usually went out for dinner on Thursdays. Mary Maloney also went to the grocery shop to buy vegetables to cook supper on Thursday. For play setting includes physical and non-physical environment. For the physical environment, we found out Maloney's house. This is the place where Mary Maloney and her husband Patrick Maloney lives. In fact, Patrick Maloney was found dead in this place after killed by her wife using a leg of lamb. Next, kitchen is another example of place setting. This is where Mary Maloney cooked the meat that has been used to kill Patrick Maloney. Sergeant Nernan also found the meat that has been cooked and ate with other police officers in the kitchen. Furthermore, living room is another example of place setting. This is where Mary Maloney waiting for her husband Patrick Maloney to return home after work while she is sewing. Then, grocery shop is another important place setting where Mary Maloney went to the grocery shop to buy vegetables to make her husband's supper, and at there she even met the grocery owner, which is Sam, and told him that she and her husband were not going out today and she came to buy vegetables to make him supper. For the non-physical environment, we figure out that there is a law and order influences in the story. This can be seen clearly when Mary Maloney worried about what will happen to the unborn child and will the penalty of murder affect the unborn child? Point of view is where the story is told from a specific perspective. So in that case, in the story of Lamb to the Slaughter, we found out that the author told the story from two point of views, which is third person point of view and limited omniscient point of view. For the third person point of view, the author does not directly involve in the story, instead expose the readers how exactly the character feels. For example, the author described the feeling of Mary Maloney, the main character, after killing her husband. The author even refers his character by using third person pronouns, which is she and he, she for Mary Maloney and he for Patrick Maloney. From third person point of view, the readers was exposed to the killer of Patrick Maloney, but unfortunately, the other characters in the story, such as police officer, does not expose to the actual killer of the Patrick Maloney.
Okay, limited omniscient point of view in the story of Lamb to the Slaughter is where the author wants to get an opportunity to view the scenario from an interesting character's eyes. This is because the author described main character, which is Mary Maloney, in depth rather than other characters. For example, the violence that happened in the scene of Mary Maloney killing her husband was described in inch by inch. Since it is a mystery story, the author wants the readers to encounter the clues from one of the characters' point of view. This can be seen clearly where the story is narrated by the viewpoint of Mary Maloney itself. The author is telling a story in which experiences of main character to grow or shift through their eyes to portray those things. This can be seen clearly when Mary thinks the way to create an alibi so she will not caught by the policemen or detectives for murdering her husband. The author creates a sense of confusion for the readers. It can be seen where the author did not describe other characters in the story, such as Surgeon Jack Lennon and also Amelie, and then he did not clearly mention about the Patrick Maloney's approach to get the divorce. The crucial moment that happened in the story of Lamb to the Slaughter is when Mary Maloney attempted to kill her husband, Patrick Maloney, using a frozen leg of lamb. He was attempted to kill when Patrick approached Mary to get divorced and to leave her. After her death, Mary Maloney killed her husband without any hesitation. Then she wondered what will happen to the unborn child and also her health if she went to the prison for killing her husband. Then she decided to create an alibi because being a detective's wife, she knows all the procedures of police. First, she must dispose the murder weapon, which is the frozen leg of lamb, by putting it into the oven and turn it temperature to high. Then she went to create an alibi to a grocery store to buy some vegetables for her husband to cook a supper. This is because she wanted to make sure that she is not around the home when the murder occurred.
Moving on to the plot of Lamb to the Slaughter. First of all, the exposition part. The exposition part starts when the main character Mary Maloney was introduced. The story starts with Mary Maloney waiting for her beloved husband to be back home. She loves her husband so much. Mary Maloney is a pregnant woman. Next is the rising action. Rising action develops when Patrick Maloney tells Mary Maloney that he is going to leave her. Shocked Mary Maloney walks to the cellar to prepare their supper. However, Patrick Maloney tells her that he was not going to eat at home and he's going out. Next is the climax scene or the turning point is when Mary Maloney hits her husband with the lamb leg. Then she finds out that Patrick Maloney is dead. She became shocked and think for a while. Then the rising action is when Mary Maloney starts to think better and decided to pretend that she goes to the grocery store to prepare supper for her husband. When she returns home, she pretends seeing her dead husband and decided to call the police officers and report to them about him being killed. Soon, Mary convinces the police officers to have dinner at her house, saying that they might be doing her a favor to eat up the lamb leg that have been cooked. Finally is a resolution where the police officers failed to look for the weapon that were used to kill Patrick Maloney. While eating the dinner, the police officers talks to one another about the weapon, saying it might be under their noses. Mary Maloney, while in the other room, giggles to herself.
Moving on to the post reading. Once we have read the story was way different than what we predict because we couldn't imagine someone is killing using a frozen lamb's leg. It's a very different and very mysterious story than what we predict.